2002 Lexus LS 430. 69,000 original miles. This is a one owner with the ultra luxury package. Basically, this thing's fully loaded. Brand new set of Michelin Premier tires, all four. Super clean. Original wheels. This is the pearl white. Original first aid kit. Matte, net in the trunk. Not a dent, not a scratch, not a door ding on it. Check out the rear parking sensors. Like I said, brand new tires. This thing's fully loaded. Ultra luxury package. This thing's been serviced its whole life. Garage kept, well maintained. Front parking sensors. This thing used to be $70,000 back in the day. Very clean vehicle. Whoops. Let's check out the inside. Leather is brand new. Never been smoked in. No rips, stains, tears, anything like that. Massaging sheets in the rear. All these temperature controls in the rear. Cooler in the rear. Wow. Doesn't get much more fancy. Rear visors. Got all these controls here. Brand new. Floor mats are perfect condition. No rip, stains, smells, anything like that. Seatbelt thing. Moves the seatbelt up and down. That works. Power folding mirrors work. Everything works. Parking sensors work. All these buttons work. Sunroof works. Heated and air conditioned seats. Sun visor in the rear. Air ride suspension. Change that. Navigation. Dual climate control. Cruise control. Auto on-off headlights. This thing literally has every option. Fully loaded. Check out those miles. Only 70,000 miles on it right now, guys. You will not find another one out there like it. Guaranteed.